Inma.
Hi.
Welcome to the 2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium here in Porto, Portugal. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Inma Serano.
And where are you from?
From Sevilla, from Spain, in the south of Spain.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you tell me what it is that you typically like to teach in a workshop?
Well, I like rhythm on the street. I like movement, people, how the city is changing by the weather or the people passing by or the time that it is. So I like that. It's the rhythm.
Capture the rhythm and action
Yes.
of the city.
The action, yes.
Wonderful. Do you have some examples that you can show me?
Yes, maybe. Yes. Well, this is a sketchbook I made in Portugal
Oh,
this year with the sketchbook project.
Yeah.
So maybe you can see here. Well, for example, I like this kind of things very much. To stay in a place, to sit down, to watch what's happening. This was a sunset
wonderful.
outside,
Beautiful.
and the light was changing in pink.
Yes.
So the trees were pink in the park, and I tried to
Bring that in coming
Yes.
through the windows. It's beautiful.
yes. Or here, for example, is people passing by in a narrow street with a lot of color. The feeling of the place is what
Right.
I like.
A lot of movement and so
Yeah.
on. Beautiful. Wonderful. That's
You want,
great.
want to see, for example,
Whoa.
markets. I like very much markets because there's a lot of color.
Yes.
There are people. The feeling of the
A lot
the
of
city,
happening.
action, yes,
Mhm.
movement.
Beautiful.
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Another one. Well,
You're skipping over all the best ones.
I'm trying to. Yes. Well, this one, for example, is another. It's a different one because it's only pencils.
Mhm.
I like very much watercolor pencil and pencils with, color
Water
pencils.
soluble?
Yes.
Yes.
To keep focus in the.
On the, So you put all the color on the person.
Yeah,
And everything
and
else is sort of black and
Yes.
white. Right.
And the portraits, I like that very much too. When the people is like have something to show, no,
Yeah.
your face. Or
That's right.
That's what I like. Okay.
Excellent.
And for example, here in Portugal, it made these days in Porto. This was the first day I came. This was the night, so the light was
Yes.
very
That
bright
artificial
and
light on the face.
yes, he's
Right.
Nelson. Yeah, and this one is interesting. Yeah. Can you see it at all? Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
It's a place near here.
Uh-huh.
It's a market inside a very weird place. Very big one. Yes. Yes.
It's like a panorama and a lot
Yes.
going on there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's wonderful. So typically you like to use watercolor and water-soluble pencil.
I like to use everything. I think everything. I like watercolor, but I like pencils too. But I like very much ink too.
So you're experimenting all
yes,
the
I
time,
like to
trying
mix everything. It's what I do.
Yeah. And so if you could talk to our viewers, what would you tell them to encourage them in their sketching?
Oh, sorry.
How would you encourage them in their sketching?
Okay. I don't know. I had to think first.
That's okay. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And